In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Excel Christmas tree. Open Excel on your desktop, and on the Start screen, click Blank Workbook. That opens a fresh sheet, and you should be looking at Sheet 1 with the standard grid of rectangular cells. Now we need to turn that grid into a tighter canvas. Go to the very top left corner of the worksheet and click the Select All triangle, the small triangle between column A and row 1. This highlights the entire sheet. Next, right-click any column header, like column A, and choose Column Width. In the box that appears, type 2, then click OK. After that, right-click any row header, like row 1, and choose Row Height. In that box, type 15 and click OK. The cells are now much smaller, so the sheet works more like pixel art. To build the tree shape, click a single cell near the top center of the sheet, around column L, row 2. This will be the tip of the tree. Now hold Ctrl and select a 3-cell row directly underneath it, centered below that first cell, like K3 through M3. Keep holding Ctrl and select the next row down, this time 5 cells wide, like J4 through N4. Still holding Ctrl, continue adding rows underneath, each one widening by 2 cells and staying centered. Select 7 cells on the next row, then 9 cells on the row below that, then 11 cells on the next row. Once all of those rows are selected together, go to the Home tab. Click the drop-down arrow next to Fill Color, the paint bucket in the font group, and choose a green swatch. The selected cells now form a simple green tree. Next, add the trunk. Select a block that is 3 cells wide and 2 cells tall directly below the bottom row of the green tree, centered under it. Then open the Fill Color menu again on the Home tab and choose a brown swatch. If you need to use standard colors or more colors to find brown, do that here. Once you click the color, the trunk appears under the tree. Now we'll place values inside the green tree cells. Select the green tree cells again. Click the first green cell, then hold Ctrl and click the other green parts of the tree, or drag across each green row while holding Ctrl so the full tree shape is selected again. With those green cells still selected, type the formula shown on the screen. Enter it carefully so the same formula is ready to go into every selected green cell. When the formula is typed, press Ctrl plus Enter, not Enter by itself. That places the formula into every selected tree cell at once. Stay on the Home tab, then click Center in the alignment group so the content is horizontally centered. Right after that, click Middle Align in the same group so the content is vertically centered too. You should now see random numbers from 1 to 10 inside the green cells. To turn those numbers into ornaments or lights, keep the green cells selected and stay on the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting in the Styles group. In the menu, hover over Icon Sets. A panel of icon choices will appear. Click an icon style you like, such as 3 traffic lights colored or 3 stars. As soon as you click one, each green cell will display an icon based on its value, and the tree starts to look decorated. Now add the star at the top. Go to the Insert tab, then click Shapes in the Illustrations group. Under Stars and Banners, choose the 5-point star. Move back onto the sheet, then click and drag just above the top green cell to draw a small star. With the star still selected, go to the Shape Format tab. Click Shape Fill, and choose a yellow swatch. Then click Shape Outline and select No Outline. That places a clean yellow star on top of the tree. To make the tree sparkle, click any empty cell outside the tree so the star is no longer selected. Then press F9 on your keyboard. Excel recalculates the random values and the icons update. Press F9 again a few times to watch the lights change each time. At this point, your Excel Christmas tree is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You should now see a pixel-style Christmas tree made from green cells, with a brown trunk below, a yellow star above, and decorative icon lights that change whenever you press F9.